it's Mykee, and today we're going to talk about my 10 favorite Drugstore nude lipsticks. And since you're here on this video, I'm gonna assume that you also love lipsticks. Or maybe you're new to makeup and you want to find out the best everyday shades you can wear. It's so hard for me to choose just 10 of my favorite nude shades. So yung i-feature ko sa video na to, halo-halong klaseng type of nude lipsticks. Merong glossy, merong satin, merong matte, merong pencil. Ganun. Look at the packaging. Tignan mo, ang gaganda oh. Ayan. We're gonna dive into these in a moment. Okay, so what inspired me to do this video and share this with you guys is actually because lately, ang daming lumalabas na bagong collection ng lipsticks. Most of them are nude shades and I really wanted to buy them, but I have to remind myself that I'm broke, that I'm saving up. Not really broke, kasi sumasahod ako, which I thank God, but I just don't have the budget right now because of family and stuff. So what I did to convince myself that I don't need those new lipsticks is I swatched all my nude shades just to convince myself na, Mykee, you don't need to buy a new lipstick because you already have a lot. You already have a lot of nude shades. You already have a lot of this kind of shade. So yun, if you wanna buy something but you know na wala kang budget doon, take a look at your things. Do you really need it or you just want it dahil bago or dahil copy-scented siya? Okay, so without further ado, let's start swatching them. Many times on my video and I just really love the formula nito kasi it's not just a hydrating lip gloss kind of lipstick, pero it's also moisturizing and nourishing. So every time I use this, I feel like my lips texture is so much better. And I also love that the satin stain shine leaves a tint kahit madali lang siya matanggal. Aking makeup remover for lips I'm gonna use is this one from the Face Shop. Ayan. Ang texture nitong creamy all-over paint ng Mykee Cosmetics is velvety. And ang ganda niya rin sa cheeks, promise. Parang sun-kissed lang. But, my only comment on their creamy all-over paints is lahat ng formula nila, hindi sila, medyo drying sila minsan. Sometimes when I use this for consecutive days, napapansin ko talaga na nagde-dry siya. Like the best nude ng Elana Lip in Lock. So this is Love is Amazing. I really love this. And if you don't know about Lip in Lock is waterproof, smudge-proof, all-day wear talaga na matte lipstick. So it's like super stay, but except this one is local, cruelty-free, and vegan. And also, it doesn't dry my lips kahit sobrang matte niya. It's not moisturizing, of course, since it's a super matte lipstick, but it's not drying. So I love this so much, guys. You gotta try this if you have the budget. So itong shade na to, hindi to masyadong nude kasi parang mas nakikita mo yung pagka-peach tone niya. But it's a great everyday look. So if you want a full terracotta shade, ayan, just like that, fill in your lips. pinakamura sa lahat na ipapakita ko today. And I really like this kasi it's non-drying. It has a matte formula and then crayon siya. So, yung mga ganito, sobrang dali ilagay sa lips. At saka mas precise yung pagka-apply mo ng lip product. It's like a muted red-brown. Oh, so good. It's naturally spice brown, but if you use this lightly, it's gonna come out a beautiful nude satin shade. I'll show you. This is perfect when you want to go on a nude shade na also hydrating and moisturizing, and at the same time isn't matte. It's enriched with mung bean and olive extracts. It's like a mauve pink. Ang ganda niya rin kasi soft matte siya. But just like the creamy all over paint from BLK, I'm not sure if ganito lahat ng texture ng lipsticks nila. It's not hydrating at all. Kahit mukha siyang nourishing, no. Pero ang ganda niya. Also, we are proud to say that on this channel, everything that I try and review and feature here is cruelty-free. Lipstick, it's actually BLK's No Drop. This is yung lip balm and lip scrub in one nila. And this is one of my favorite nude shades kasi bukod sa it's moisturizing, it's really like MLBB. Alright, that is all. That's my 10 favorite nude shades today. So, thank you so much for watching. Alin doon yung favorite na nude shade mo? Leave a comment below and please subscribe. I really appreciate that. And click the bell button para ma-notify ka whenever I do and upload new videos on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, the love. God bless and take care.